In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your watch later list on YouTube app. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So all you want to do is open up your YouTube application. Once you do, on the bottom right, you're going to see your profile icon. So all you're going to do is click on that. Now, if you want to see your watch later list, let's say you added some stuff, you want to watch it later, all you want to do is go ahead and scroll down. You're going to see a lot of options, but you just want to go over to your playlist and you're going to see watch later as one of the options. So just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to show you anything from your watch later right here. And then you can play all, you can filter it by date added or anything like that, or most popular. And you can filter it if you want it to be only videos, like long form videos, or if you only want it to be shorts as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. You can do this on anything you're using. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.